In this guide, we're going to talk about a really nice and complete management tool called Clickup. So I'm going to click here from Google just to show you all the steps. Now, of course, what you need to do first is to, create an account, but we can also scroll a little bit and we can see that we can sign up for free and get Clickup. And here we can see the different things that we can do with the application. So, also you can do same things that you do with the Todoist, Trello, Tick, and so on. And also you have many integrations. So here you can do to-do list for your project. You can do project management. So you will have team members, you will have tasks assigned to team members. So all the things that you usually do with other similar software. And you have spreadsheets. You can manage email, events. You can set reminders. You can check the goal tracking, time tracking. And you can also do recording. And again, it's all about management basically. So just create an account or log in if you already have one created. So here we can see the panel. This is of course once you have logged in. So you can start to use the various tools. Now this is only an introduction of course, but if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and support us joining the channel and we will create more. So here we can see the home page. So it's nothing really going on here because I didn't start already to create tasks and things like that. And you have a calendar, you have an agenda, and here you can also search. You can also customize a little bit the interface. Okay. And let's go here into my dashboard and let's create one. So let's say add a widget. And you can see that something it's business and others are free widgets or free tools that we can use. For example, we can start to do a task list and set a location. Also, we can include subtasks. Just customize this. Okay, I think we need to insert our location. So, let's say that I want this. Okay. You need to also create spaces here. So you can create a new space and call it testing space. We also have some templates that we can use. Example, let's see here, Waterfall Management. It's kind of a Gantt chart. So let's say, okay, use template. And let's move on. Now you just need to wait for a few seconds and then it's gonna appear here as a new space. And you can also continue to create new spaces using templates, or you can also customize it yourself. You can give it a color, an icon here, and you can decide if you want to be private or you want to add people. Okay, let's go next. And you can also enter more statuses and decide what you want to bring inside, and also which tools here. Okay, so it's kind of a, you need to define before what you need to do, more or less, how you want to set up your space, your project, and what you want to insert there. So here, for example, I can add this list, I can assign, I can set in the calendar, and then I can continue with another task and so on. Also, I can click on the plus here and create more fields. Let's create here text, and let's add a column. So you can customize this dashboard. Now let's go back to the waterfall management. Now, if you want, you can always start from templates. I think templates are great because everything has just been done for you. You just need to select one and study it, or just customize it. You don't need to spend too much time. You also have like beginners level, intermediate, advanced, and so on. So there is really everything already done here. Just need to pick the one that you like the most, or the one that it's closer to your needs. Now, this one that we created earlier, which is waterfall management, it's divided also already into these tasks or phases, and inside there are different activities and different sections which are already set up for you. You can see here we have also other columns like start date, due date, completion. Okay, and also we have Gantt charts, which are really powerful management tools where we can start to insert. For example, here this is the start of the project, and we can click here and we can have more information about this event. And again, the old concept here is that you can share this, assign and share the information with your teammates or with your team if you are a manager. Now let's change here the date. Let's make this a little bit longer, or maybe longer than that. So you can see here I can now change the position. I can slide this into particular dates. I can also use this one here to make it longer. And you can click down here at the bottom. You can create a new task. So let's call this just another task and another task. That's the location, that's the assignment here, and all the other information. Let's create a task. And this is another task. And it doesn't have a point here in the calendar, but we can assign it. Okay, so this is the another task. I can start to slide this over and then place it perhaps after the start project. And you can click with this little line, and so this will become well, dependent on the previous tasks. And then you move on and you create more and more, and then click there and customize all the customizable things here. Okay, and then you have other stuff here. You can check the other widgets, other boards that will start to populate. And this is like similar to Trello. And also you can check here the work breakdown structure. And we can see here we have 3 tasks here. Again, click and access that. Or you can also assign other tasks or other links from here. So, it's just different ways to see the same thing, which is the project basically. And you really have a lot of tools. This is a really complex application, web app, but you can also download it on your computer. And you're gonna find a lot of tools that you usually find in other management applications. So we're gonna stop right now for this video guide. But again, if you like it, if you enjoy it, please write it in the comments. Please write your comments, like suggestions or questions, and subscribe to the channel. Check also our other video guides, and if you can, support us by joining. We're gonna do more and more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.